Stacy.
And Stephanie.
Today we finally got our snow duck maker. But sadly, there's no snow anymore.
It's sunny outside.
So
we decided to make duck rice ball.
Yeah, instead of snowballs, we're going to make rice balls using this duck maker.
So we prepared 3 toppings today: spam, tuna, and beef.
So it's so easy to prepare, but it's gonna be a very good lunchbox idea for you guys.
Yeah, it's very fun to make, so it's perfect for family cooking. So should we start?
Yeah.
Let's begin.
Let's check the ingredients. We need beef, gochujang, soy sauce, sugar, and sesame oil. And for another topping, we need spam and teriyaki sauce. And one more, we need a can of tuna and mayo, honey. First, put the beef into a bowl and add the sugar first. And then pour soy sauce and gochujang. Please keep this order because it marinates well. And lastly, put the sesame oil. It's all done. Keep it in the fridge for 30 minutes. And next, tuna topping. Put the tuna in a bowl. We use vegetable tuna. And put mayo. Drizzle a little bit of honey. With honey, you can put some savory flavor. Mix them well. If you can find this vegetable tuna, please try it. This is our last topping. Dice the spam and make sure you cut it into small pieces because you need to fit it in the duck maker. It should be smaller than you think. And fry your spam in the pan. Because this spam is kind of greasy, you don't need any oil. Fry them until it's brown. Pour the teriyaki sauce so it seasons well. Spam and teriyaki is so good. All done. And next, fry the marinated beef. Make sure you cook it thoroughly and then don't burn it. Gochujang burns easily at a high heat, so keep the medium heat or low heat. While you're cooking, you can taste it and add a little more seasoning to it. Put some sesame oil into the rice. Use 2 bowls of rice and that's for 2 people. And make sure you don't smash the rice and do it just like this. Just like cutting the rice. You should use chewy rice so it has to stick together.
Do you wanna build a snow duck? Yes! Yes!
So fill the duck maker with a little bit of rice. Now put your favorite toppings into the rice. spans has to be really small. And then cover them with another rice. And get rid of the excess rice. Ta-da! Here's our first rice ball dog. It's just like playing with sand. If you don't have time to prepare toppings, just put seasoned rice. And the kids will love it. This time, we put tuna. And the beef topping. These are cute, right?
잘 먹겠습니다.
Cute. She's so cute.
맛있지? It's so good. 맛있어.
So it was very fun and yummy time. I hope you enjoy watching our video today, and we'll come back with even better recipe next week. Thank you guys. Bye.